have been in here in the 1800s. This was a forest. All trees covered the sand. Then there was a big fire in Chicago called the Great Chicago Fire. And when that happened, lumbermen came up and down the coast of Michigan and they cut all the trees near the lake because they used Lake Michigan to transport all the wood. At that time, we're talking about a state that was so early in its infancy, had no roads or anything, but they did use the water to move everything around. Now, after that fire had happened, a few years later, we had our own fire here. It was a really bad one. Nobody was hurt, but there was nobody to put it out. It just kind of burned for 7 days. We have very sketchy details on it, but people talk about the big fire. And it basically burned between the two lakes. When it was all done, we just had big open sand. And most of it was on this side. And it started blowing and moving because the wind's always blowing up here. Today is not very typical. It moves to the east or it moves to the north. Now, the lumberman who cut all the trees down, his name was Charles Mears. And they didn't